Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Russia has just carried out its biggest aerial blitz on Ukraine, launching 574 drones and 40 missiles armed with cluster bombs. On the outside, the drones look simple, almost like flying machines built for cheap mass production, while the missiles are sleek and powerful, designed for maximum destruction. Inside, drones carry small warheads to damage infrastructure, but missiles are packed with deadly cluster munitions that scatter across wide areas. Performance-wise, the strike was meant to overwhelm Ukraine's air defenses by exhausting them with waves of drones before powerful missiles followed up. Safety, however, was almost non-existent. Cluster bombs put civilians in grave danger, leaving behind unexploded weapons that can kill for years. The unique point of this attack was the combination of quantity and precision, cheap drones forcing expensive defenses, while costly missiles brought the real damage. With drones costing as little as $20,000, compared to millions for interception, Russia gains an economic edge. In conclusion, this blitz shows how modern war is shifting, mass drones plus missiles redefining the battlefield, but at a devastating cost to civilian lives.